Hi, this video is about using a hybrid car batteries on my solar system which power my shop. I am hooked to the grid for when I run out of solar or storage, so it's not the only way I can power the shop. I installed my first panel in about 2004. I mounted them on hydraulic lift bucket truck backs. This makes it easy to rotate and change the angle of the panel. You just need a 12-volt battery. Over the years, I've added 2 more solar arrays and a windmill. My solar arrays are good for about 4,000 watts. The WindBlue windmill is up about 50 feet. I started out using 8 Trojan L16 batteries for storage of power. If you take care of them, they'll last 5 to 7 years with luck. I have bought at least 3 sets along the way. The batteries today would cost me about $3,000 to replace them. This is my solar equipment wall. I have 3 Outback solar controllers, 1 for each array, and 2 DC to AC inverters, which gives the shop 220 volts. I've been very happy with the Outback equipment. You can see there's also a dump load relay, and that's when batteries are fully charged, that relay comes on and it dumps it to a heater. Currently, I would like to replace all the lead acid batteries with lithium-ion batteries. I'm thinking of using them from a Buick LaCrosse 2014 hybrid. I get to use batteries from a salvage yard. There are 2 56-volt battery packs for a total of 500 watts in each car. This is an end view of the battery pack. You can see the end cell, which is 1.6 inches in diameter and 3.6 inches high. Here I've removed the side cover, and you can see the copper bus bars which tie the cells together in a series. I cut one of the battery bus bars to make one battery pack into 2 24-volt strings. This leaves 2 battery cells not being used. In the side cover, I drill 2 holes for wire access. I then use automotive RTV around the wires, filling the holes and supporting them so they don't short out against the edge. I watched a YouTube video from Outback on hooking up lithium-ion batteries to an Outback system. They mention you need battery protection boards, or BMS for short. I bought the BMSs from Amazon for lithium-ion that supports 7 cells and a nominal voltage of 24 volts. I have 3 solar charge controllers, so I set the float voltage at a maximum of 28 volts with no equalization that's mentioned in the video. This is my electrical wiring diagram. It shows the 2 cells in the middle not being used. This is a finished battery pack. There are 2 BMSs on each pack, 1 for each 24-volt string of cells. I also have a 20 amp blade fuse on each string and a voltage LCD readout. The readout is an indicator for when you blow a fuse, and I've blown a few. I've taken the Buick batteries out of 2 cars so far, so I have a total of 8 24-volt strings of cells and 1 kilowatt of battery storage. They're sitting on my cement floor, which is around 57 degrees today. In a car, they have air going through them to keep them cool. So I have them wired into my Outback solar system along with some other old lead-acid batteries. I want to retire all the lead-acid batteries but need more hybrid batteries before I can do that. Any ideas for improvement would be appreciated. Thank you for watching.